In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your personal website information on GitHub, a step-by-step process that's quick and easy. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, keeping your GitHub profile up to date is crucial for showcasing your work and connecting with others in the community. Today's task will only take a few minutes, but it can have a big impact on how peers and collaborators perceive your professional profile. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the GitHub dashboard. This is your central hub for all things GitHub, where you can access your repositories, contribute to projects, and, of course, update your personal information. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a small icon shaped like your profile picture. Clicking on this icon will expand a drop-down menu of options related to your account. Next, from the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Your Profile. This will redirect you to your personal profile page, where you can view and edit various sections, like your bio, repositories, and social links. On this page, you will notice an Edit Profile button along the left-hand side of the screen. Click on this to access the editable fields, which allow you to customize the details that appear on your profile. Now, we are going to focus on updating your website information. Scroll through the editable fields until you find the section labeled Website. If you already have a website, this is where you want to input your URL. Just type or paste your website's address into this field, ensuring there are no errors in the URL. An accurate link will direct anyone visiting your profile to the correct site, enhancing your professional appearance and offering further insights into your work. Once you've input your website information, it's important to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is typically located below the profile fields. Clicking Save will ensure that your new website information is stored and now visible to anyone who visits your GitHub profile. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully updated your GitHub profile to reflect your personal website. Remember, keeping your profile current is vital for maintaining an effective professional presence online, making it easier for others to learn more about you and your work. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.